cake. It's not even as good as a pancake. And she ended up getting over it, and she ended up just going through struggles as a music girl. When she couldn't sing, she ended up running around her house to be like, this is gonna make me a great singer. And that's what I would do. Like, I would just see her do that and then start copying. And I would annoy my brother because he was like, why are you running around the house indoors? Oh no. But yeah, turns out Beyonce did that challenge, running while singing, so they got something right with that show. And yeah, she magically just was a good singer. She always was friendly. It was like a Dora the Explorer type show. Always a happy ending, always a solution. She met a girl, had to do a girl group with this girl. And while she was doing this group, the girl was pretty rude to her, didn't like her, didn't work well with others. And then they became best friends. There was this big scene where she had a rival girl who was just trying to end her career. Like, oh, she needs to play music. She destroys everything so she can't have music for her show. She puts on a pretty dress. She destroys the dress. And it was a lot. And the girl did it because she liked this guy who was on Kiari's record label. And she was like, oh, you're stealing my man. Craziness. So that was solved though. And we love a good happy ending. So let's get a drum roll because we are ready. We are ready for the cookies. I open this to the best of my ability. Now we will do the pouring. Okay. So it went in with a bang, but we're doing good. Now we are pouring. The show I was telling you about, Kira and Revolution, she ended up doing a Milky Way Girls spinoff, and the animation changed. The animation changed to like this 3D effect from cartoon. And I was like, nobody liked it. It was weird. I tried to follow it, and it was Kieran with two other girls who, again, never were singers. One was the smart one and the quiet one was the cool one, the bad one with the short hair, had a lot of anger. Kieran was the glue, the happy girl that kept everybody together. It did not do well. I could not keep up with the episodes. But that song they had was good. That intro song was good. And it would be a song that I would try to mimic. Like, everybody was dancing to it. So if you want to check that out, check it. Now we're gonna get into another chord. Oh, how about I try to sing it for you? Okay, since you asking, you want me to? I don't know, guys. I feel awkward. Actually, I didn't even get that beat right. Okay, how did it go? Hey y'all, so this is the end result. Thank you.